Fashion influencer of the year, popular choice.
Please.
Agu.
Oh, let's go.
Yes. That way.
Hi, my name is Ago. I'm from Manipur. I'm feeling excited and happy because I'm able to represent my community and the Northeast in such a big platform. What else did I say? So guys, we didn't get a chance to do this speech, so here is my speech. I want to dedicate this award to my Northeast Indian brothers and sisters for making me the first from the cookie community to win this award. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you for voting for me. Thank you for asking your friends, your colleague, everyone around you voting for me. I received this award because of you all. And I want to talk about my journey a little bit. I came to Delhi by train with less than 5,000 rupees in my pocket. I even have to share one room with 3 to 4 people. We slept on the floor. There is no space to even move around. And even got kicked out because I was not able to pay my rent. I work as a hotel as a waiter, and then I switched to working in call center at night and creating content at daytime, spending all the money that I earned from call center. I was so broke even one time that I took 1 lakh loan so that I can keep continuing creating content. And I told myself one day it will pay off, and I'm glad it has paid off. I faced all these struggles, poverty, but I'm glad I don't give up, and no matter how hard my life was. And I kept going because I kept dreaming of a night like this. And thank God it has come true. This is hard work, and I work very hard for this life and for this dream. Thank you Snigdha, Dia, and the whole Cosmo team for giving me these opportunities. I want to thank every photographer, videographer, makeup and hair artist I've ever worked with. It wouldn't be possible this without you. Thank you to all the designers who let me wear their beautiful outfits, and to the brands and PR teams who gave me paid campaigns so that I can survive in a big city like Delhi. And I want to send my love to my amazing follower who has been with me through thick and thin, always supporting me. And I want to say this to everyone watching. If someone like me coming from a village in Manipur who can do it, you can do it too. If you don't give up on your dream, you will achieve them no matter what. And don't let rejection stop you. When I started, there was no opportunities for me. I had to create my own opportunities. And that's why I'm here today. I am the biggest living example of self-made. And lastly, I would like to say that Manipur is still longing for peace. Let us remember the survivors, listen with compassion, and stand for healing. Kukinam patinin so isang zing tahan. Thanks again. Have a great night, everyone.